What I'm gonna do is show you what I do to get past the scary first page. So I got a new sketchbook from Midori. It's not typically a sketchbook, but what I'm looking for is a nice size, not too big. I don't want something heavy. I don't like hardcovers, and smooth paper. And this has all of that. Super excited to go on a bike ride today. I was going to take you with me. That sky does not look good. So instead we'll just drive. This is probably better anyways because I'm having a crazy busy week and I promised I would do a video every week for this year, and I'm a little nervous that this one's not going to be very good.
Must become a man one day. Put away childish things.
So I'm in the back of my truck right now, trying to get a shot of the lightning. Sandra just called me and she said there's an actual hardcore storm warning out, so it's really a good thing I didn't get on my bike. Is this place? Of course there's no one in the parking lot. It's art supplies. There we are, the sketchbooks. So they didn't really have what I wanted. I guess it's also a good reason I didn't bring the bike. He did tell me a store that had a crazy number of different styles of sketchbooks and might have more what I'm looking for, so we're gonna try there. So this is a calligraphy store and not an art store, so we'll see if they have what I'm looking for. Hello.
How are you?
Good.
Sketchbooks would be in the back of the stationery case.
Thanks. Okay, that store was cool. They had like a million pens, and of course, I had to buy a couple. The scariest thing for many artists is starting a brand new sketchbook, and here's the reason why. I don't normally show my sketchbooks off. They're more for me to get down ideas. But a lot of people, they like to use their sketchbooks, or their sketchbooks is the only artwork that they do. So what can be really scary is starting that first blank. It's white. It's scary. These are the pens I got. They're called Preppy fountain pens, and I'm super excited because they're really inexpensive. They come with ink cartridges that you pop in the back when you're ready to start. The ink you can see is in there. I also have my favorite pen, which is a Pilot Precise V5. And I can't even buy these in stores now. The only place to get them is on Amazon. This is what I use for writing. I also use it for drawing, which is why I need that smooth paper. Because I don't want these to wreck. I love this pen. So my point is, if you think your first page is going to be a turd anyways, you might as well make it a turd.